seems a most opportune time for you to buckle down and get those things out of the way that you have been putting aside. They will not go away and must be faced up to. You will feel much better and happier about it, and this will lead to more peace of mind and contentment. Do not be afraid to ask loved ones for help and advice. Keeping a problem to yourself can be detrimental presently. Be gay and happy in your attitudes, and this will brush off on others, making your own existence that much more pleasant. In the near future, you will have an opportunity to invest monies. Think it through. Right now, the number 6 is most favorable. Thank you.